Namaskar, hi, hello, welcome to Ask in Detail, our famous YouTube channel Enriching Knowledge. And this video is dedicated to the unit number 4, and the name of that unit is Cloud Computing. Okay, we'll solve the exercise of cloud computing as well as simultaneously we will clear the concepts also and we'll see the examples also. Now, what is the first question of this exercise, friends? Look at the question. What does the cloud refer to in cloud computing? As I said, as I explained in the class, cloud is in the sky. Okay, it is correct. Cloud is in the sky, and it means that there is a satellite. Okay, what is there in the sky? There is a satellite. And what is the base of internet? Satellite is the base. So through the satellite we are getting connection. It means that networking, internet based connectivity, internet based computing is cloud. So what is the example, sorry, what is the answer of this question? Answer is this, a type of internet based computing. Now we'll go to next question. Which of the following services are provided by cloud computing? Yes, you can do all of these: creating a file, sharing file, listening music, all of these. Listening music, when you listen music online, that is the example of cloud computing. When you open or when you send any file over WhatsApp, it is the example of cloud computing. Fine. Now we'll move to the next. C question. Which type of cloud computing provides services within an organization to selected users? If you are talking about within organization, means inside the organization, that means that cloud computing is the property of that organization. It means that it is private. Getting? If I have a company and I am providing cloud computing to my employees in my company, inside my company, within my company, it means that this is the example of private cloud computing. Next question. Which type of cloud computing provides services that are owned and managed by third party cloud service providers? It means that these companies are providing cloud service to the others. Others means whom? Public. So this type of cloud computing is known as public cloud computing. For example, Google. Google is a third party cloud service provider and it is providing that service to the public, that is user, that is we. Now the next question is, what is one benefit of cloud computing? The Yes, now we'll read one by one. Is it first storing data only on local device? It's not, it's completely wrong. It's not. Second, limited access to application. It is also wrong. Third, accessing data and applications from anywhere at any time. Yes, that is the sign of cloud computing because it is internet based, and if you have internet you can do computing anywhere anytime. बहुत बढ़िया. Next question. Answer the following questions. What do you understand by cloud computing? Give examples of three cloud computing services. Okay, let's have the data. See, this is the image of cloud. Yes, this is cloud. It's like a cloud, okay, which looks in the same way in the sky. Now, all these names may be familiar to you. First one is Google Cloud Platform. Okay. Next one, Amazon. Okay. This name is also familiar to you. Oracle Database, Open Office database like facilities are provided here. Then Microsoft Azure. So these are the famous, world famous cloud service providing applications. And yes friends, we are using Google Cloud like a Drive, Google Drive in all mobiles. In our mobile, Google Drive is available and which provides the facility to save files online. Now we will look at the cloud computing definition. See, simply, what is cloud computing? Cloud computing is the delivery of computing services. What kind of computing services? Creating file, sharing file, then processing the file, deleting, editing, whatever you can do. Just look at the storage, database, networking, software, analytics, understanding the file, reading the file, and then suppose you have a video, editing audio, creating images, attractive images online. All these services are computing services, and if you do these services online over the internet means over the cloud. Are you getting? Over the internet means over the cloud, and that is what is cloud computing. And these facilities are now faster, flexible, easy. At some point it is free, after the limitation you have to pay. So this is all about cloud computing, and Google Drive is the best example of cloud computing. Now we'll look at the next question. Okay, I will just make it zoom. Okay, next question is describe the types of cloud storage systems based on who can access the cloud. Describe the types of cloud storage systems. Okay, we'll go to notes and see the things available there. See, three types of clouds. First of all, look at the cloud again. What is given? Cloud computing is the technology that allows user to store data, applications, use of softwares online. That is cloud computing. Very simple. Now examples of cloud computing. Look at this cloud computing. Cloud service providers are Google Drive, which is available in our smartphone, Microsoft OneDrive, iCloud, Dropbox. Four examples are given, and before that I have also given another four examples. So this is cloud computing. Simply doing computer works online is cloud computing. That's it. Very simple, friends. Okay. Now we'll go to the types of cloud computing or cloud. See, the first is public cloud, which is available for public. See, some of its features are free for users. Users means what? Public. And the examples are here. The same examples which we have read few seconds ago. Google Drive, iCloud, Amazon Web Service, Microsoft Azure, IBM's Cloud, Sun Cloud, etc. are examples of public cloud providers. And what it is? Saving file, sharing file, editing file online. That is cloud computing. Now the next example is private cloud. Private means what? If any company have its own online platform, that is private. If any company have their own cloud computing system for their employees within the company, that is private. It is also called as corporate cloud. Please remember this word, my friends. Private cloud is also known as corporate cloud, or it is also known as internal cloud within the company. That's why it is called internal cloud, corporate cloud, and private cloud. Got it? Next, examples of third party or private cloud computing are data, HP data center, VMware, Dell Apex. These are private cloud providers. And the third type is hybrid. Hybrid means what? Mixture of both. Mixture of public as well as private is known as hybrid cloud computing. Now we'll move to the next question. Friends, again, describe the type of cloud storage systems based on who can access the cloud. As I said, public and private and hybrid. Now the third question, list any two advantages and disadvantages of cloud computing. Chalo, let's see the advantages and disadvantages of cloud computing, friends. Here are the advantages. I will make it zoom. See, advantages are many. First, that any user can use the software free of cost or at a minimum cost. Or one example is, if you are using Google Drive in your smartphone, Google Drive provides 15 GB of storage free of cost. After that free 15 GB you have to pay. So this cloud computing reduces cost of what? hardware, software and applications, whatever you are using, it's free of cost online. The second advantage is it provides backup. Suppose you are working on your computer and your computer gets damaged, your data will be vanished. Now if you are working the same thing online, yes, there are files, no worries, no tension, all the files will be saved. Third thing is that once the user is registered in the cloud, he or she can access the information from anywhere, anytime, because you are working online, so you can open files anywhere at any time, but the condition is you must have internet connection. Fourth advantage is that you must be able to use these files, use these softwares, because there is no issue of compatibility. It will not say that your computer is not able to run this file, your mobile is not able to run this folder, your computer is not able to open this software, etc. There will be no compatibility, means what? Suitable. It will not give such kind of error that your computer cannot do that and cannot do this, because all the things are online, so no issue of compatibility or hardware issue is not there. Next advantage is that any number of user can use this. There is no limit that only one person can use this, only one user can use this. No such kind of requirement, condition is not there. And the last thing is that it is easy for group of users to share data with each other. You can make communities here, you can share same document with multiple people, and you can allow them to edit the same document. So these are the advantages. In the same way, some disadvantages are also there. The first disadvantage is you must have internet connection, and many people face this issue. If you have strong internet connection, only you can use cloud computing, otherwise you must have a stable internet connection, otherwise no access for cloud. Second disadvantage, that security breaches, but no, this kind of disadvantage is not working to nowadays, because they have a strong security in today's as per today's technology, they have a strong security. So this, I don't think so, this is the concern, this is not a disadvantage from my point of view. The third thing is that the user becomes dependent on the storage provider for the availability and reliability of the service. Yes, it's true, because if you are using Google Drive, you must have to go with their conditions. Whatever they provide, you have to use, otherwise you have to buy. So yes, first disadvantage was stable connection paije, and the second disadvantage is you must be what you can say, agree with their whatever they are providing, agree with their services, agree, you must be ready for whatever they are providing, you must have to say okay fine. Now the last disadvantage is that may be expensive. Yes, as I said, after 15 GB free storage, they will ask money. Now the best example, yes, as given in the book, Google Drive is a cloud based storage and backup service. What it is providing? It is providing 15 GB of storage, but it is for free, 15 GB for free, but after that you have to pay it. And what you can do in Google Drive in your smartphone, you can use Google Docs, Google Sheets, Google Slides, you can do all official documentation kind of things in Google Drive free of cost. Save it, and anywhere, anytime, continue the same thing. No issue of bringing of any particular hardware, that is computer or laptop, no need to use it. You can use mobile and continue with the task. Okay, so this is all about Google Drive. We'll go to next question. What is the next question? See, we have gone through advantages and disadvantages all. Now the next question, describe the three access levels that are provided when sharing a document in a Google Drive. Now, what are the three access levels of Google sharing? Okay, I will show the image.